Hello students, we are studying chapter 2 Nutrition in Animals. Plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. As you all know, but animals cannot. How do animals obtain their food and what are the different methods? In this chapter, we will study this. Animals get their own food from plants either directly by eating animals or indirectly by eating animals that eat plants. Some animals are there which eat both plants and animals. Like crow and some omnivorous animals. In the picture you can see the deer is eating grass and the tiger is eating deer and many small animals also. In the surrounding also, your nearby surrounding, you have seen many animals eating different types of food which is directly or indirectly related with plant. Animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food, and its utilization in body. This nutrition gives us energy which is utilized by body for different activities like growth, repair. And this energy makes us able to do different types of work also. So, we should take proper nutrition. Food consists of many components such as carbohydrate. The carbohydrate is a complex substance which cannot be utilized as such. So, they are broken down into simpler substance, and the breakdown of this complex substance into simpler substance is called digestion. Whatever food we eat, it contains complex substance which the body itself breaks down into simpler particles. And the food which we eat, it contains carbohydrate, proteins, fats. All these are the complex substance which is broken down by the body into simpler substances. Different ways of taking food. The mode of taking food into the body varies in different organisms, because different organisms are there, so different types of mode of taking food is there. Example: bees, hummingbirds suck nectar, snake swallow the tree. Some other different ways are scraping, chewing, siphoning, capturing, swallowing, sponging, sucking, etc. Here in this picture, you can see different types of eating food ways. Different ways of eating food. Now there is an activity: types of food and mode of feeding of the given animals. There is a table in which different types of animals are there. Animals and insects are there. We have to fill what type of food they eat and what is the mode of feeding. Snail, kind of food, leaves. Mode of feeding, scraping. Ant, kind of food, insect. Mode of feeding, chewing. Eagle, small animals. Mode of feeding, capturing and swallowing. Hummingbird, kind of food, nectar. Mode of feeding, sucking. Lice, kind of food, blood. Mode of feeding, sucking. Mosquito, kind of food, blood. Mode of feeding, sucking. Butterfly, kind of food, nectar. Mode, siphoning. Housefly, decaying matter and most of the things, and mode of feeding is sponging. So in this table you can see there are different types of animals which is eating different kinds of food and by different mode of food. How do starfish feeds? Do you all know how do starfish feed? You all know that it feeds on the small animals which floats in the water. But what is the difference there? Starfish feeds on the animals which is covered by hard shells of calcium carbonate. After opening the shell, the starfish pops out its stomach through mouth and eat the soft animal inside the shell, and slowly the food is digested. Hope you all have enjoyed. So, you have noticed that the starfish, what it do? It just pop out its stomach through its mouth and then eat the soft animal inside the cell, and slowly food is digested and again take back its